In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get scheduled auto insurance with Progressive. If you own a classic, collector, antique, or other specialty vehicle, scheduled coverage may be a better fit than a standard auto policy. This type of insurance is often designed for vehicles that have unique value, limited use, or special restoration work, and it may include options like agreed value or stated value coverage. Before you begin, take a moment to decide whether this kind of protection matches your vehicle and how you use it. Once you know scheduled coverage is right for you, gather your vehicle information in advance. This will make the process smoother and help you get a more accurate quote. You'll typically want to have your VIN, registration, current mileage, and clear photos of the vehicle ready. If your car has been appraised or if you have documents showing its condition, upgrades, or collectible value, keep those nearby as well. Having everything organized up front can save time later. Next, request a quote from Progressive. You can do this through their website, through the mobile app, or by speaking with a licensed representative. As you go through the quote process, be prepared to explain the type of vehicle you have and why you're looking for scheduled coverage. If your car falls into a collector or specialty category, it's a good idea to mention that clearly so you can explore the most relevant policy options. After that, choose your coverage limits and any endorsements that fit your needs. This is where you'll decide on things like liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage. Depending on the vehicle and how it qualifies, you may also want to ask about agreed value or collector vehicle coverage. Take your time here, because the right combination of protections can make a big difference if the vehicle is ever damaged or involved in a claim. You'll then need to provide any required documentation. Progressive may ask for information that helps verify the vehicle's condition, ownership, and value. Submit everything carefully and make sure the details are accurate, since this information helps support the policy you're requesting. Before you finalize anything, review the policy details closely. Check the coverage amounts, deductibles, exclusions, and premium so you understand exactly what is and is not included. This is an important step, especially with specialty vehicles where coverage terms can be more specific than a regular auto policy. Once